Do a lot of people have attorneys on hand? I'm going through a phase of watching arrest videos and it seems like everyone screams, "Let me call my lawyer." Why? My lawyer is just whatever lawyer you call. No need to have one in your pocket. My divorce attorney became our "let me call my lawyer." My whole family uses him, or if the legal service we need is something that he does not have expertise with, he will refer us to someone he knows that can help us. Find one, then you get one. The rules are that when you ask for a lawyer, all questioning must stop. The police at that point have to stop asking questions relating to the crime they suspect you of, without a lawyer present. You can hire one or have the court appoint one, but the questioning must stop or they can't use what they glean in court. Most don't have one on retainer. You ask for a lawyer before talking to the police. They allow you to find a lawyer, then they tell you to continue not talking to the police. I couldn't find one, so I gamed the system and got a law degree. I've had issues just dropping in links, but look up Attorney Shield. It's a cell phone network of connected lawyers that you can call when pulled over. A few YouTubes on the topic can be found under Lackluster. Some companies allow you to enroll in a legal services program for a low monthly fee, like you do with health insurance. Personally, I do. Career criminals probably. Do reflex? In my experience, the people who actually have a lawyer appropriate to the situation don't tell you they're going to call their lawyer. They also don't threaten to sue you, they just go and file a lawsuit. They heard it said on TV. My brother, best friend and their friends are all attorneys in different fields, so I do. I've used them before. I'm in the minority, I'm sure. They are all exercising their right to be silent. I've watched enough of these shows to know when they are reading you the Miranda, the only reply, "Call me an attorney, never speak to the cops, detectives." From watching arrest videos, I've come to believe that people seem to like using that line, thinking that it's supposed to keep the police from detaining, arresting them, and taking them to the station. It doesn't, it just keeps them from asking questions of you relevant to the investigation. You want to call your lawyer? You can call them from the station. Until then, you do what the officer tells you to do, or else that's resisting. I have a lawyer that I've used exclusively for the last 20 years. I've never had to use him for a criminal case, but if I needed to, he is who I would call. I would feel no need to tell anyone, "Let me call my lawyer." I would simply call him soon as the opportunity arose. I'm married to my lawyer, but he doesn't practice criminal law, so not sure how helpful he'd be in a situation involving police. Because the best thing to do when interacting with the police is always to SDFU and get a lawyer. Doesn't matter if you're guilty or innocent. Always shut up and lawyer up. No, it's a vain attempt at intimidating a police officer. Any good lawyer will tell you outright that when you're being arrested is not the time to debate law. That time is when you're in the station or in the court. But out there on the road, your best bet is being respectful and just go with the flow. Unless you're a health risk, then 100 speak up and say something. But if you can afford it, it is very beneficial to have a relationship with a legal advisor. They all do have attorneys, and their phone number is 411.